Hey everybody, Kevin at Woodcraft here with the Wood River Drill Press Table. This is a wonderful aftermarket table that can add lots of functionality to your drill press. It's made of matte black laminate on an MDF core that measures 15.5 inches deep, 23 and 3/8 inches wide, and 1 inch thick. Because of its size, it's only recommended for drill presses that measure 14 inches and larger. The table features replaceable MDF inserts in the center to help prevent tear out, as well as two back-to-back T-tracks, one on either side, that serve as a mounting point for the fence and any other T-track accessories that you might find useful. These T-tracks are bolted down to the table rather than screwed, so you can apply lots of clamping force if needed. The fence is another piece of extruded aluminum, this time in a double T-track configuration. It also comes with two saddle stops that are adjustable and can flip up out of the way. All three of the T-tracks have centered scales that read in both metric and imperial to make repeat setups a breeze. We also offer a 24-inch deluxe fence that adds things like movable fence faces and a dust port. I've talked about this in a separate video that I'll leave a link to down in the description. To pick up one of these for yourself or anything else for your woodworking needs, head over to your local Woodcraft store or online to woodcraft.com.